I am excited every day at the prospect at making people love the possibilities of research.
I see myself as someone who shapes thought leaders, and that is what I assume about my students from day one. I assume that they have an area of expertise they want to claim, and I'm here to help you be a thought leader.
One of the most rewarding things about this opportunity that I have to be a faculty member is to produce the next generation of scholars and also be a part of their journey for the rest of their lives and helping them be successful.
I think that in our mentoring, the priority is to help the student discover the direction that they want to go in.
I do feel like I'm building a foundation for where I'm going to be going for this next. That this is going to be a group of people that is going to support me indefinitely.
When you go to a school that has reputable researchers and highly ranked in the nation, it also opens up opportunities for you.
One of the things that I think attracts people to this program is the ability to interact in a more intimate way with faculty and to be able to learn from faculty who are accomplished in their fields.
You can directly contact a professor and say, hey, I have some ideas, and they'll take the time out of their busy schedule to sit down with you and talk to you about those.
You have to have active, engaged learners and active, engaged mentors. And I think that's something that we bring to the table. That's something that we're definitely looking for in students.
If you think about the ways problems are being solved nowadays in terms of science, they're not done by economists or sociologists or biologists. They're being done by biologists and economists and sociologists. So in this department, being able to draw upon all those sources of expertise to understand how different disciplines solve problems is going to give students a leg up in terms of getting a job and becoming scientists.
I like that my dissertation committee is including faculty from both the behavior and the policy side, so you really don't have to go very far to find someone who's an expert.
The great thing about the coursework is it's not limited only to textbook learning. There's a lot of real-life experience that the faculty brings in from their own research.
Because we offer them such a wide range of experiences, they're often exposed to things that they may not have been aware of or may not even have thought about. And so it's also very exciting to see when somebody discovers a passion.
And I think the way this program leverages the resources from other departments, we take the best of each and we roll it into a curriculum that is very much applicable to what we are doing.
Massey Cancer Center is an NCI designated cancer center. It's also a safety net hospital. You can get a very diverse patient population, which is really great, especially if you're interested in health disparities or there's a social justice angle to a lot of research done with the cancer patient.
The study of health inequality is something that's truly important to all of us to understand. And I think you'd be hard-pressed to find a better place to study health disparities in a place like VCU.
It's really unique in that for classes, we get to go and sit in on congressional sessions. We actually get to talk to these politicians and let our voices be heard about health policy.
As a policy student, I'm sitting there thinking, this is perfect. This is the energy that I'm looking for.
I think for me, passion is the driver for everything. All of us within this field want to make a difference. And I think it's up to each student to define what that difference will be. If you feel that you can live out your passion in this program, then that's the right place for you.